Today's my birthday, and I'm out here enjoying some peaks in the Iritiba Wilderness and Nelson area. I did that peak first. It's called Knob Hill, and I'm on Tule Springs Peak, which is named after a spring nearby, I believe, by this gentleman. So I might go over there and check it out on my way back to the car. There's the Southern McCullough Range. This is the Iritiba Ridge. Most of it's out of view. Lake Mojave, Colorado River. It's just a beautiful day. I was thinking maybe I would trek 53 miles for my birthday, but I think I'm going to go 5.3 kilometers. Set a new trend for birthday slacker miles. Yeah, I'm tired. I've been doing a lot lately, so I'm just having a chill day.